In this video, I'll describe two of the key features of the Java language. These are features that set Java apart from other languages, namely that it is platform independent and that it's object-oriented. Now, there are more features of the Java language, but in this course we'll focus on these two, which are qualities that are at its core. These are qualities that it's designed to do very well. A Java program can run on several different CPU and operating system combinations, such as the Solaris OS on Spark, Mac OS on an Intel, and Microsoft Windows on Intel chips, usually with few or no modifications between them. Now, as illustrated here, Java programs are compiled using a Java compiler. The resulting format of a compiled Java program is a platform-independent bytecode. So this is instead of CPU-specific instructions. So we have this bytecode, which usually comes in the form of a .class file. Now, after this bytecode is created, it is interpreted by a bytecode interpreter called a Java Virtual Machine, or JVM. A virtual machine is a platform-specific program that understands the platform-independent bytecode and can execute it on a particular platform. For this reason, the Java programming language is often referred to as an interpreted language, and Java programs are said to be portable or executable on any platform. Other interpreted languages include Perl and Python. What this image illustrates is a Java bytecode file executing on several platforms where a Java runtime environment exists. So a virtual machine gets its name because it's a piece of software that runs code, a task usually accomplished by the CPU or hardware of the machine. For Java programs to be platform independent, a virtual machine called the JVM is required on every platform where your program will run. Now, the Java Virtual Machine, or JVM, is responsible for interpreting Java code, loading the Java classes, and executing Java programs. However, a Java program needs more than just a JVM to execute. A Java program also needs a set of standard Java class libraries for that platform. So the Java class libraries are libraries of pre-written code that can be combined with the code that you write to create a robust application. Combined, the JVM software and the Java class libraries are referred together as the Java Runtime Environment, or JRE. So Java runtime environments are available from Oracle for many common platforms like Solaris, Linux, and Microsoft Windows. Now let's talk about the other key feature of the Java programming language I mentioned before, that it's object-oriented. So many early programming languages were based on a programming paradigm called procedural. Procedural languages use a sequential pattern of program execution, such as you see in the diagram here. Some examples of procedural programming languages are COBOL, Fortran, C, and Pascal. This style of programming has become less popular due to the difficulty of designing real-world applications using sequential patterns. It also has proven difficult to maintain and enhance programs structured in this way, especially with larger programs or programs with any amount of complexity.